Alright everyone, welcome back to another edition of the Combustion Guys Energy Drink on Monday, Emergency Edition.
Yes.
I was trying to put this in the cooler and decided to hit the asphalt and spring a leak, so we gotta open it up here fast. Well, what we got
Is we have
Mountain Dew Amp Energy Drink. And this should be lemon lime original flavor, so take a look at that.
Reminds me of a Dale Jr. car.
Haven't had one of these, and we haven't filmed one of these, so this should be pretty interesting.
So, right off the bat, we got ourselves 220 calories, so that's a lot, but
Be syrupy.
it's gonna be good. 140 milligrams of sodium, 58 grams of carbohydrate, 58 grams of sugar in the important factoids. Also got some riboflavin, about 50% of that. We got 25% of niacin, which I believe is B3. We got 20% of B6, 50% of B12, 40% of lovely acid, and this also contains 142 milligrams of caffeine, so that is 2 cans of Mountain Dew right there in this one little can. So let's open it up here. Still has combination. Ooh, and it smells good. Get some of that poured into Todd's cup. Oh, it has the lovely Mountain Dew green color coming out. Looks nice.
Be careful, this we're going into a time.
no idea.
Alright, let's have a taste then. Oh wow, that's powerful.
It's powerful.
That is Jolly Rancher lime right there.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
That's a little much. Woo!
Yeah, powerful.
That will wake you up.
When you need a kick of flavor with a kick of sugar with a kick of caffeine, that is definitely a pretty good option.
That's not a kick of sugar. That's like a sucker punch of sugar.
Mm-hmm.
Man, we are so spoiled with the these new
Wow,
energy
with the
drinks.
new ones with like no sugar in them, that is, I mean, honestly, that is really good.
It's tasty.
But it is incredible what the new energy drinks can do without it.
Yeah.
But wow, you cannot quite. I mean, imagine this was let's see, what? Yeah, this is high fructose corn syrup. So imagine if this was cane sugar.
Oh boy, it's a good.
That would be like wow. You know, it'd be like woo.
Quite puckered up there.
Mm-hmm.
But it's still good for what it is.
Mm-hmm. But I mean, yeah, when you need, I mean, this is a very powerful punchline. You're good. I
What's
like
the
that.
caffeine count?
142 milligrams of caffeine in the entire can. So I mean, 2 cans of Mountain Dew basically combined, because I think it's about 70. Yeah, about
That's
72.
almost 3, because 1 can is 54.
Oh yeah, they used to be 70. They used to have 70 milligrams in a
Oh,
can.
one can? Oh, okay.
They used to, but yeah, they have dropped it down to like 52, 56. So yeah. Anyways,
That's almost 3 then.
if you want a punch of flavor with a punch of calories, with a punch of sugar and carbohydrates, with a punch of caffeine, this is going to punch your taste buds and punch you in the gut, definitely, because that is powerful stuff. So that is impressive. So anyways, guys, I would say that's, for what it is, it's an SRT 292, because I mean, flavor right on point, and it's nice and carbonated as well, so I like it. So, and it's definitely not as syrupy as those Venom Energies that we were getting. Those things, I don't know what they did to the syrup, but that was you were drinking straight syrup on those.
Maybe a little water with your syrup.
Maybe a little water syrup with a little combination. So, anyways, but that's really good. Haven't tried one of those, so that's cool. So, if you want to try it, you should be able to find it, because they're still out there. So anyways, that's it for us today, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed. We'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.